Hi everybody!
Hi! Granny, tell us a story.
Okay dear, I will.
Please, Granny, please. It's good. Tell us a story about winter.
Of course I will. Go and get my big book and let us start. A stormy night. One winter night, it was difficult for Ray to sleep. She covered herself with her blanket, and yet she could not close her eyes. Mommy! Daddy! I'm so scared! Ray yelled the moment she heard the thunder. Mom and Dad rushed to Ray's room and tried to calm her down. Mom wiped Ray's tears as she stepped out of her bed. Then, Mom told her daughter, "Oh dear, be brave. Thunder is not scaring. Do you know what happens when the two clouds bombard together?" "No, Mom," answered frightened Ray. "Well, dear, the lightning says something and the thunder answers back." Dad got a cup of warm cocoa, put a scarf around Ray's shoulders as he led her to her bedroom window. "Come on, Ray. Drink this warm cocoa and look outside your window," said Dad. "Think in a positive way and tell me what you see and hear," he added. Ray grinned and said, "I see the raindrops falling on my red bedroom window and joining each other to make larger ones. Oh, look! The snowflakes made a small hill under my window, too. I hear the sound of the wind yelling at the drops and leading them to line up straight. That's our brave Ray, who thinks in a positive way." Mom and Dad praised their little daughter. Ray went back to her bed and slept all night long calmly. Since then, she was never afraid of storms, as she always thought in a positive way.